This Damascus rose is one of the most fragrant roses I had in my garden. Out of nowhere, it started drying up. Summer was harsh, leaves were wilting, and stems started to blacken up. I needed to save it, but it wasn't the right season to do an eye budding or to grow a stem cutting. So I opted for V-grafting. And in this video, I will show you how my Damascus rose got saved by a simple V-graft. I started off with clearing up the side branches of this Rosa multiflora rootstock. This is the same rootstock nurserymen use for budding rose varieties. I also removed top growth, thorns and made a clean cut with a sharp razor blade. I took multiple 6-inch cuttings from the dying plant and divided them in half, leaving at least 4 nodes on each of them. These are semi-hardwood cuttings. In emergency situations like plant death due to any reason, V-grafting with semi-hardwood cuttings is fast, reliable, and produces quick result irrespective of seasons. I made clean slant cuts on both sides of the scion and made another V-shaped cut in the rootstock. Then I carefully inserted the scion in the V-cut, matching the cambium layer. It is very crucial for successful V-grafting. Then I wrapped it tightly with stretchable plastic tape. For protection from dry wind and occasional shower, I wrapped entire graft joint and scion with another plastic tape and kept it under partial shade. I watered them sparingly, protected it from direct sun, and kept checking for any stress or dryness of the scion. After 20 days, tiny shoots emerged and I was happy that it was coming back slowly. Today she is thriving. A simple V-graft didn't just save a plant, it saved a species in my garden I thought I would lost. It even had a flower. I couldn't record it as I wasn't home. But I've learned something. I've learned not to give up. With the right method, even the toughest season can bring new life. Subscribe Gardening Escape for more informative videos on grafting, growing plants in pots and many more. Let's grow something beautiful together. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.